Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So I have this widescreen video of a car. Now to change aspect ratio, we need to go to Sequence, then go to Sequence Settings, and on this window here you can change the dimensions or size of your video, vertical and horizontal. So in this example, what I'm going to do is swap the width and height inside these two boxes, and it's going to change this wide video into a vertical aspect ratio for that vertical view, as if you're holding your phone in your hand vertically. So what you want to do is just change the first value and replace it with the other within these two vertical and horizontal boxes. This will change aspect ratio to 9:16, and this should work for things like TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. Now, when you change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro to vertical layout, you'll notice that we now have these black borders. So press Shift 5 and click on the video clip, and in the upper left corner here under Effect Controls, you can adjust the scale and position of the video. So you can move the video within this new aspect ratio. And there you have it. We've just changed aspect ratio in Premiere Pro.